While exploring a deep reef at 100 feet 30 meters, we found a trapped baby shark. The gills were moving, telling us that the shark was still alive, but badly entangled in fishing lines. The white tips on the dorsal and tail fins, along with the dark spots on its slender body, identified it as a whitetip reef shark. The hook in its mouth and the fishing line snagged in the corals had trapped it. It was still breathing, fighting to stay alive. The baby shark was about 2 feet long. We tried to cut the line to free the shark, but there was a problem. The only tool we had just wasn't adequate for the job. We needed to pinch the line, wedge the tool in, and try to saw through it. It was slow and ineffective. Scissors would have been a better tool, but we didn't have one for this dive. We kept on trying. But the line was too thick, and we struggled to cut through it. At 100 feet, 30 meters, time and gas were running low. We knew we had to leave soon, but if we left now, the baby shark wouldn't survive. At this point, I accidentally pinched the line a bit too hard, and the shark flinched in pain, but then settled back down, as if telling us it's okay, and to continue to free her. The shark's behavior caught us by surprise. The shark was very patient. It just lay there, letting us do our job. My hand was near her mouth. Despite multiple opportunities, it never tried to bite my hand. It was never aggressive. You could see the shark's mouth and eyes. It was a difficult and frustrating moment for us, knowing that we may have to leave the baby shark. I tried cutting again, but failed. We were out of time and gave it one last try. Finally, the line was cut. And the baby shark was free. She looked at us, gently turned, and slowly swam away. Swim free, little one. May you always be safe. Till we meet again.